Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm just here to do my savings challenges for April the 5th, Friday, April the 5th, and I'm going to get underway with it all today. As usual, I have £140 that I'm going to stuff today, and let's just count it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 110, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Right, I have got my grab a book. I'm saying it right today, grab a book, and each book is £2, and I usually do £20 in the books. So let's see what colour I'm going to do today. This yellow, I don't think this is bright enough. Actually, let's do it. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's 20. Should put my board there. Right, okay. So that's £20 for grab a book. The autumn challenge now. I'm going to put £10. Each leave is £10. So I'm going to just do £10 for a leave today. Let's get that coloured in quickly. There we go. Then the puzzle pieces. Last week I put £15 in for the puzzle pieces, which was 4 puzzle pieces, and because they're £3 each, I could have done the 5 to make 15. So that's what was brought to my attention by one of my subscribers. Thank you so much for that. So I coloured that in. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, right? And I'm going to put another 15 in today. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I will colour that in at a later date. You know, sometimes you're not thinking and it's right in your face, but you can't see it. I'm going to change up this. I went to the post office today to withdraw my savings challenges money, and I told the postmaster how much I wanted, put my card in, and couldn't remember my PIN number. It declined. The first one declined because I couldn't remember my PIN number. So she said to me, don't do it again, just go home, think about it, and then come back if anything. I was so surprised about that. I just thought, what's going on? I couldn't remember my PIN. Couldn't. I'm going to put £10 into this challenge. The rainy day fund. This one's £300. Oh boy, am I excited to see that money. Great. And then my fruit and veg. I'm going to put £15 in for the carrots. Carrots, orange. And the pineapples are yellow. I'll do that. And I'll do the stems later on. And I will also do the stem later for the pineapples. Very nice, very nice. 15. So what I'll do, I'll just do 30. There we go. Fruit and veg. So the veg, the fruits are completed. I'm done with the fruits. Yay! And I've got one more for the vegetables, which is the lettuce. I'll get that done. Lettuce or cabbage, whichever one. I'll get that done next time round. And that will be finished. Oopsie daisies. 2024. Save 2024 in 2024. And let's see how much we've got left. 20, 30, 40, 55. Great. I think last time, oh, I had 55 last time. Yeah, 55 last time. Let's get that coloured in. So let's do 20 and 35. Lovely. 20, 30, 40, 55. Great. All done for another week. All done. Everyone got a bit today. Yep. Everyone got a bit today, and I'm very happy about that. I'm away for the weekend, so Monday or Tuesday I will come back and stuff for Friday the 12th of April. Anyway, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now.